Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss.
Welcome back to another episode of Mathing with Miss Archer. Today I want to give you just a glimpse of our career day and see all of the lovely participants that were here and how excited our students were to engage with all of the different careers that were presented in this year's career day.
And it's, yes, so we do have, it's not an app, it's a website that we go on called RMS. So we track, so it tells us everyone who got arrested. Maybe someone getting arrested right now. It tells us the latest person that's getting arrested, and we'll see the name, everything about them on that app.
Who uses Amazon?
Oh, yeah.
You guys all use Amazon, right? So Amazon itself is obviously a company, but they run a lot of their sales through their what? Their website, right? A lot of online shopping, okay? A lot of people visiting.
On May 10th to be 5-0 with hopefully 3 knockouts. As an amateur, I was #1 in the country. I won the Golden Glove National Championship and the USA National Championship. I've been boxing since I was 10 years old, now 24. Okay, you ready to throw some punches?
Yes.
You said you boxed with your dad, I remember that, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me see your stance, come on. Okay, let's start. There you go. Come on, keep going. The whole time. Keep going, keep going. There you go. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, you know what you're doing. Yeah, you got to shoot some little pomodoro. Okay, good job, y'all. Everybody clap it up. Yeah.
What's going on with her hair, okay?
It's something.
No, it's not necessarily anything wrong.
No, is that spiders or something?
Are you sure? You said no. I don't know. Can I trust you? All right, so I'm gonna test you later. Yes. Okay. I'm gonna test you later. Okay? What if I told you that the Batmobile was real?
I would believe you. Yeah, that's something I would.
I hear that word a lot. I hear that word a lot. Okay.
I've never heard of the Batmobile before.
Okay, let me ask you a question. Have you seen the Batmobile in the movie?
No. Yeah. I don't watch that.
You seen it in the movie, right? It is? Yes.
There we go. Looking good. You gotta get the muscles and the tendons around your shoulder nice and warm up. Now we take it back. Take it back. There we go. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Next one, we're just gonna do some sun salutations. We take the arms down, bring the arms up. There we go. You wanna make sure that your shoulders are nice and movable, nice and ready. There we go. In 3, 2, and 1. Next one. I know you guys have gym class, right?
Yes.
Mr. Gym teacher, Mr. G?
Yes.
Okay. All right, so next thing. No, don't worry. We're not doing push-ups. I don't want to.
Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer. Mathing with Miss Archer.